And here we are in the big city of Blackwater City and stuff and things. Hopefully we can make our mark. Hopefully. I wonder how we will do that. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. So guys, sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've been busy with work and stuff and things and other stuff and things. A lot of things. Yep, I don't like that tank. I was trying to get a couple videos up this week. I'm gonna try my hardest. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. Did I just kill my precious? Okay. I was like, what? No. Too bad they can't like fly with you or anything. In this one at least. In the other ones I think they can, I want to say, up your arsenal. That was made. You know, something I've always wondered in this game is how old is Ratchet supposed to be? Like, I don't know. Like, he's supposed to be an adult, a teenager, or what? I don't know. Like, they need to have a better storyline, but the storyline is great anyway. With the Lombaxes and stuff. Let's see, what gun should we use? The Pyro, why not? I never really used this gun in the game. Apparently it's a really good gun, but I've just never been very fond of it. Up we go. The third person for that is pretty awesome, I'm not gonna lie. This pyro gun does work amazing on the slimes though. Or whatever they're called. Call them slimes. Like Minecraft slimes. Give me all them bolts. Taxi. Wow, fail. See where this taxi. I mean, just saying, who just takes a taxi just randomly? Just like, hey, what's up, man? Take me somewhere. And just takes it. That's who Ratchet is. He's that guy. Except that guy. I'll leave him for later. Hello there, sir.
Trade you.
Well, okay.
Ratchet.
I'm kidding. Sorry, he's not for sale.
Yet.
Rhino anyway.
Rip ya a new one.
What did you just say to me?
R-Y-N-O. Rip ya a new one.
Why, that's the most powerful missile launcher in the galaxy. I know it's worth a lot of bolts. He must have stolen it from the Blarg.
Stolen? Look, trash can. Did I say anything about it being hot? You better watch your mouth or I'll...
Wait, don't tell me. Rip you a new one.
Ratchet, why you gotta be like that? Now you probably just raise the price. 150 grand. 150 bolts. 150,000 bolts. Sir, we will talk to you later. What he doesn't know is there's a many bolts. Woohoo. Oh, give me the precious. So, I don't know if any of you guys noticed, but there's always just that one gun. Normally it's the Rhino in every Ratchet and Clank. That's just basically the best gun in the game. I know, yeah, it's definitely in every game. Or at least something similar to that. I'm actually kind of curious. Well, what Rhino gun is your favorite? Full little preferences in each Ratchet and Clank. Like some you lock on with it, and some you don't. You know. A spooky place right here. I love doing this part right here. Just fly over, wait for it. Run away. Run away. Grab a popcorn. Aw. the show's over. He was just looking at me. Just giving me a stare down. We should have had one of them old West Rodeo things. Up and away we go. Oh, I hate the maze. I hate it. This part right here. There's always this bullet I have to wait till the end to get. 'Cause I just can't figure it out. I don't know why. We're actually getting a good amount of bolts right now. I'm liking it. Ooh, the spray. What was that Blarg doing? He was just giving me the look as well. He was like, ah. I'm stupid. Actually, make this easy for us. What? What? Why? Game, why you do this? Apparently it's only one shot. Huh. I know that. The more you know, the better. So there is actually a skill point on this map. On this level. That I'll be showing you how to get. We have to talk to this lady first. Snookums.
Welcome to the HoverCon Intergalactic Hoverboard Competition. Captain Quark's giving away a brand new Platinum Zoomerator to the winner of this competition.
Ooh.
A platinum zoomerator. Perhaps that will be the proof of your accomplishments that Skid's agent requires.
Yes. Yes, it would.
Do you guys mean Skid McMarks?
Yeah, Skid couldn't make it, so we're here to, you know, fill in for him.
Guess we'll see about that.
I'm doing this for you, woman. Let's see if I can get this. So we gotta get it, like, literally catching every boost. Nope. Nope, we're just gonna win it. I'm too lazy to do the skill point right now. Nope. Nope, we're restarting. There may be a lot of edits or cuts in this. Guys, I can do this. I believe. I really do believe right now. This is gonna be it. How did he not die? What? Off to a good start. I'm off to a really good start. A really, really good start. Oh my god. I might get the skill point, guys. I'm so scared. I might actually get the skill point. I swear, if I get the skill point, I'm gonna be so dang happy. Idea. Am I gonna do it? I'm actually gonna do it. Oh, I'm gonna do it. I think it's like 1 minute 45 seconds, I want to say. Nope. Do it. Wait. Maybe. I don't know anymore. Ugh. I'm so scared. You guys have no idea how scared I am right now about if I'm gonna actually get the skill point or not. I don't think I got it.
It is my distinct pleasure to introduce this year's HoverCon Intergalactic Champions. Let's give it up for newcomers,
Ratchet and Clank.
Hey, look, that's us.
Today's winners will take home a brand new professional grade Model
Ooh.
T15 Platinum Zoomerator. Manufactured by Gadgetron, this hoverboard drive delivers more lift, speed, and maneuverability than any other anti-grav device on the market. Well, folks, that's all the time we have. Tonight, remember to set your infobots to the Quark Classic channel for tonight's episode of Dogfight Over Death Canyon, starring yours truly. Thank you and have a quark-tastic day.
I love the way he says quark-tastic. Quark-tastic day. I really do feel like a pro hoverboard now. Hoverboarder. What does that thing even say it does? Oop. Nope. Not that. What am I doing? Where is that thingy mabobber? Maybe I just have to show it to, actually, we gotta show it to what's his face. Gotta grab us some money real quick so I can feel like Mr. Krabs. Looks like we're off to the planet with skid McMarks. No. What am I doing? Alright, yes, I want to go here. Ooh, I forgot. Looks like we gotta go that other way. Let's see where our map. It's just right there. So close yet so far. Why has this game got to do this thing to me? Look, we can even see this somebody. That could be Mr. Quark. Mr. Hork. Unfortunately, it's not. Let's go ahead and take that taxi back to our spawn. Spawn our ship. If I could just jump out, I could make this a lot easier and skydive, like in the other Ratchets. And we are back to our ship, our shipperoo. Outpost Arita, that's the place. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and just skip this. I know you guys seen this.
Fantastic! You got it! Great work, kid.
So, are you gonna represent me?
You bet, kid. And as a signing bonus, I've got this.
Cool helmet.
That is a sonic summoner. It is used to attract sand mice.
Right, and it's all yours. Well, I'm off to finalize the paperwork. I'll have my people call your people.
Do you have people?
The Sonic Summoner allows you to interact with the mysterious and intelligent sand mice species. Despite their innocent appearance, sand mice are very effective and aggressive
So,
hunters.
that guy now knows that we are some professional hoverboarders. And we really are not professional hoverboarders just yet. So, Sonic Summoner. Let's give this guy a try. Hello? Where is he? Okay. Let's try and look at this guy, get a close up. Wait. Where is he? Oh, there he is. He's running away from me. But what if? Nope. I guess he doesn't want to look in my face. I guess I'm just too ugly. I got the uglies. That's really cool. He comes with me in that little thing. I don't know what you call that. It's not a teleporter. That'd be awesome if he could just like follow you around. Pew 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 pew. Die die die. Pew pew. Pew pew. Looks like we are back to Blackwater City. There he is. Bye-bye. Have a good time. So I went ahead and just cut that area because, as I said before, you guys have seen it. You know what it is. Maybe if something happens, I don't know. Oh, I'm so stupid. Yep. That's a nice way to like get to a new scene. Fish. But yeah, you guys all seen it. Maybe if something new happens, then I'll just show it. But till then, we would just skip them for now on. So I can get more gameplay in for you guys. Alright, where is that thing? The suck can. Nope. Why do I always do that? Yes. Go ahead and just do that. Alright. Yeah. I'm a little tired actually today. Been working. Hippity hoppity. It's funny how that little thing of water can hold all that water, apparently. It's like the whole ocean. That's just science. Let's see what we have to do this time. Pretty sure we just have to swim. Oh wait, no. We need to break the bars first. And then we'll be able to swim. Because the ledge over there should be taller, and we can't jump to it unless we're in the water. Maniac, just trying to, you know, do the thing. Well, we're just gonna do that just in case I was wrong. Pop that water back in there. I don't want to know more. His face when he does that, it's like he's got a kind of a constipated face. I don't know why I pointed that out, but I did. And you guys may need to deal with it. Yes. Ooh, I don't like this area. I mean, I used to never be able to do this for some reason, but after like playing this game so much, I eventually got it. Completely forgot about using the taunter. Ew, he's like sliding. That's slimy. He's sliding if nasty. Ratchet, you're disgusting. Take a shower. As soon as I start seeing the water, I just get so scared I'm gonna die. If I stop talking, it's because I'm concentrating. You need to concentrate. Alright, nice. Did I beat it? No. Not yet. Just a little bit more. You stupid blargs. This is the part that really scares me. Like, I feel like I'm gonna die right here. Right about there. Nice. Looks like we got it that time. Luck is on our side. Yay. Hello there, sir.
Hey, press conference is over. Captain Quark don't want no more reporters bugging him in his trailer.
Oh, you see, my friend and I need to speak to the captain about a matter of galactic security.
You mean you and your walking camera? You paparazzi make me sick. Now beat it!
But, sir, I'm sure the Captain Quark will understand once we...
Now, save it. I know how it works. You convince me to let you in, you snap a picture of the captain in his underpants, then you sell a picture to the info tabloid for $1 million.
You've got
Oh, yes, I would do that.
I'm stuck here making 6 bolts an hour, and I have to listen to a lecture from that cheapskate Quark. So you don't get in unless I get a kickback. In advance.
Dollars. Oh my, he's making 6 bolts an hour. Damn, I thought he'd just be like 1,000. We gotta do it.
You see how it works? You grease the hinges, the door opens.
Captain Quark?
What's that?
It's Ratchet and Clank, Captain. You know, from the
Oh, yes, yes, I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, and thank the galaxy you found me.
Huh?
There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planets.
Ratchet, he knows.
Great. Does that mean we can go hoverboarding now?
My friends, we're all in grave danger, and I believe that together we can put a stop to this madness.
Together? You mean you want...
Forever and ever?
Look, Ratchet, I've been keeping an eye on you. I've never seen anyone with such raw talent. You are a true hero in the making.
Really? You mean I could be famous?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, here, take this. What makes one man toil in obscurity while another becomes a hero? Is it strength, compassion, determination, or just pure blind luck? Wise men through the ages have struggled with that very question, but Captain Quark knows the secret. That's why he's been able to defeat more despots, rescue more damsels in distress, and save more civilizations than any other hero in the galaxy. Now is your opportunity to see if you've got the stuff heroes are made of. This infobot contains coordinates to Quark's secret base. Can you quickly conquer Quark's killer cannonade of confounded contraptions?
That's a mouthful.
Can you quickly just make your way through the defenses to the center of the base. Prove yourself, learn the secret, and earn your place in galactic history.
That could be me.
Before attempting any strenuous exercise, not responsible for death or dismemberment, your results may vary. Meet me at my headquarters.
Hey, Captain Ratchet, what do you think?
We won't fail you, sir. We promise.
Captain Ratchet reporting for duty. Alrighty guys, well I think I'll be ending the episode off here. Next episode, we'll probably go into the training camp. So we can be Captain Ratchet. Yes, I said Ratchet. So guys, I'll see you then.